Hello, good morning. I'm discussing about self-assembly. It is a nanofabrication technique that involves aggregation of colloidal nanoparticles into fine desired structure. Molecular cell assembly is one of the most important techniques used in biology for the development of complex functional structures. The aggregation can be either spontaneous or chemical. The central theme behind the self-assembly process is spontaneous and chemical aggregation of colloidal nanoparticles. Physical self-assembly. In physical spontaneous assembly, colloidal nanoparticles aggregate to form different structures driven by thermodynamic energy minimization. Example, polystyrene beds on quartz glass. Chemical self-assembly. Chemical self-assembly requires the attachment of single molecular organic layers to colloidal particles on subsequent self-assembly of these components into a complex structure using molecular recognition and binding. For example, monolayer of fatty acids on metal oxide surface. It's all about self-assembly. Thanks for watching. Thank you for the lesson that is now. Bye-bye. See you again.